Walang water.
Wala ng tubig. Hi, Kino! Unang-una ka, ah. Hi, Kino. Kino ang pipili. Victor, hi, Victor. Magtanggol. Hi, your fave Lou. Hi, Aaron! Hi, Moises. Hi, Gerard 20. Jeopard. Hi, Ashy. Hi. Hello, Be. Hi, mga Be. Be. Hello. Ay, Kichang. Sinong sinisipon? Lahat kami. Wow. Tahimik sila, guys. Kasi kumakain sila ng mga paborito nilang pagkain. Hi, Jajam ko! I love you so much.
So, bakit umiyak yung pamilya ni Yulo?
Ni Yulo. So weird, no?
Bakit? Anong meron?
Konnichiwa.
Nagsalita na kasi siya.
Oo. Be!
Congrats,
kasi,
Jam! Congrats sa A-Kids! Congrats!
yung mama niya kinuha yung incentives niya. Di niya alam.
Mas ano ko, ano pa sinasabi niya.
Drink lots of water, my love. Okay. Hi, Jam Jam.
Don't judge me, boys.
Congrats sa A-Kids! Congrats sa A-Team! Congrats sa lahat ng lumaban sa HHI yun, di ba? HHI.
Aangang ba yung lashes ko dito?
Congrats! I'm so proud of you, everyone. Ano yun? Bakit may toyo sa ano mo?
Nilagyan ko parang
Kakapit ko.
Dalawa na lang silang nanonood.
Bakit naman dalawa lang kayo, Day?
Bakit naman? Bakit? Asan na yung mga anak ko?
Ito po, andito katabi mo. Anak mo na ako.
Ala, seway na. Kaya nyo yan! Laban! Ilaban ng Pilipinas, bro!
Babalik ka talaga sila as in official, legit.
Hindi ko magpapaano lang, magpapahapyaw lang. Kasi tanda na rin sila. Pero wala pa sila mga anak. Wala pa.
Bakit ang Blackpink na wala?
Kayo na ang sunod na kukuha ng ginto. Tama yan. Hi, Shy! Are you shy? Because I'm shy. Ha, ha, ha. Alright. Ate ko, na pinagalitan ng 2 beses.
Sino? Bembang! Sino?
Bembang! Si Ate Jo, Bembang, 2 beses.
Nakisep? Bakit? Bakit? Nakahol ba ka?
Ingat dyan! Pasalubong ko, ha! Pasalubong ko. Pasalubong ko.
Ano to? Sampayo.
Good night, Jam! Good night.
Opening lang naman tayo. Nag-gold block nga din tayo pag-open.
Bakit ka pinagalitan? Opening mo yun tayo. Ewan ko, be. Ayoko na makipagtalo.
Nega, che, chalaga.
Ano oras ka pa
Nega, che, chalaga. Che, 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 chalaga.
12-5? 12-5.
Hi, Jaire Lim.
Pagwitan ko talaga.
Ay, wait lang. May chika
Ay,
ako.
Ate Stephie?
Hi, guys! Can you hear me?
So scary, dude.
Yeah, it's so scary, it's so weird, and it's so like, what the...
Sexy mo, babe. Pero absent ka.
Hindi ako bayad, be. Absent na ako.
Matamis mo hado.
Okane, wasegu. Agero wasta. Okane, wasegu. Watashi wasta.
I feel you, be. Sa lahat ng mga unang rules dati, ako din yung
Bembang.
yung kauna-unahan ba?
Hello. Hello, John Robert 82. Hi, Tita B. Hi, Mark Lopez. Hi, 안녕하세요. 저는 Ariel Reyes입니다. Yes, sir.
Porkit ako yung naabutan
Gawa kayo ng cherry on top TikTok. Bagay sa inyo. If you want it sweet, get
Uy, nagawa na namin yung cuts. Ay,
If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up.
Kayo to.
Gotta know what you got. I'm the cherry on top. Cherry on top. Ate Cole ata. Cole sa'yo to?
Rehearsal. 5 pa naman yata.
5 to 6:30 na.
Bubito na yun ako sa bangko.
Thank you, B. Bangko ka, be?
Ano Tagalog sa wala?
Sige na lang ako.
Walang ano man.
Tigtanong siya tayo kung alam.
Parang islang pan-tropical.
Di ba lang yan? Oo, ngayon pa lang.
Hi, Kazaito. Saito, Rainy Boy.
Pero, meron dati lang sa tuwing may ano sa bus mo.
Yung mami ni Jace.
May prod kayo? Wala po. Crystal Aragon, hi. Oh, sino? May kasalanan?
Si Ina man.
Inamer!
Saan ko siya? Saan?
Ay, Denzel Sumailo. Ay!
Hindi ako allergy dyan.
Kumain ka? Kumain ka?
Sauce lang siya, wala siyang...
Siya?
Patas yan.
Ha?
Yung tinapay.
Mayaman.
Nakuha din.
Alin dyan?
May pagkain pa daw siya eh. Diba? Yes! Ngayon dadating yung food mo. Yeah! Cute mo po. Ala! Be, mas cute ka, be. Ang cute mo, be. Love you, be. Cute mo, be. Sabi mo sa akin. H-O-T-T-O-G-O.
Sa mga naiintriga ko, sino yung jowa ko. Ito po.
Kiss mo ako.
Bakit may ako? Tong, yun, ano yung 85
Huwag kayo masyado maintriga. Baka kabahan si
Naglabas
Adi.
ng statement, di
85
ba?
na. Ang sakuli na, ano
Di ba
na,
naglabas ng statement?
Brother na. Pero, sa alin? Kay Carlos.
Guys, sorry. Mag-ano na lang pala ako. Mag-gymnast na lang. Mag-Olympics na lang ako.
As in, nagpa-press conference yung galing sa ano? 20 million sa government. 10 million sa San Miguel Corporation. 10 million. Kinabisado. Kita ko siya,
Kasi nakikita niyo yung usok. Nakikita niyo yung usok, guys, di ba? Lahat sila dito.
Walang tax. Di ba ano?
Mag-chat nga ako sa Bananas.
Hi, Christian Andrew.
Hindi.
Sa mga naiintriga sa lahat ko, huwag masyado.
Ni Carlos.
Worth
Hindi niya na
32
sinigil yung
million.
mga.
Selos na si
3
Ariel.
million cash
Sabi
ang
niya,
bibigay
pinatawan
sa
na
kanya ng
Sabi mo, pinsan lang ni Elio.
Tapos alam mo, hindi ka pwede magalit sa kanya kasi
Yeah! Hi, Iloilo cutie! Cute ka ba?
Pero di niya.
Yes or no?
ang isip ko yung tax incentive niya sa mama na pupunta. Tapos meron siya tayo na Carlos Yulo bill na pinapaano. Oo, may Carlos Yulo bill.
Pinapapasa?
Pasado na. Parang umuwi naman yan. Pasado na lahat ng mga athlete walang tax kapag yung mga premium nila.
Ah, tama lang naman.
Pero ang akin lang, pangalan sa kanya, Carlos Yulo bill.
Huwag din lahat ng friends ko i-issue sa akin sa
capacity to like give that kind of money. Pero like, I'm not against it kasi winner sila. Pero ang akin lang, kaya mo ng Pilipinas dahil.
Oo nga, ang laki din ng tax nila. Pero baka sa ano lang naman, sa mga premyo lang nila.
Naka-ano na, laan na yun. Oo. At saka matagal na eh. After 10 years daw, siguro pag-ipunan. I don't feel. Pangit mo. Sa hair mo na lang. Saka, uy, kain.
Ganda ng jacket mo, pero mas maganda ang may-ari. Super cute. Sino ba may-ari nito? Sa tingin mo ba kilala mo? Kilala mo? Hindi, di ba? Hindi. Inamoy. Ay, Bentong! I love you, Bentong! Bentong!
Nakalang ng point 1. It's covered na ako, te.
Woy! Ano, be?
Ano, Ben? Curious na lahat sa love life ko. So, nagsiselos na to.
Guys, sa lahat po nang nagtataka kung sino ang jowa ni Ate Ina, ako po yun. Ako po talaga.
Bakit ba mamaya, pati pinsan ko pagkamalan nyo na din.
Pero ako guys, may jowa na ako guys. Real, not pake. Diba?
Si Ina Marie.
Hi, Ina. No! Jowa ko to, guys. Layo. No. Bawal kayo no.
Lahat ng picture at saka anong pinopost ko.
Let me explain.
Yung NGL ko umuulan ng... Sino yun? Bigyan niyo ako para.
Guys, ang mabibigyan nyo lang talaga kay Ate Ina. Para magka-jowa talaga siya. Iisang tao lang yan. Si Adi.
Letter A. Adi.
Kung hindi niya may bibigay si Adi.
Adi don't.
Bahala ng tumandang dalaga si Ate Ina kung hindi lang din si Adi mapapakasawa niya. Basta ako masaya.
Gili.
Ganda ng necklace niya. Sa tingin mo na, tago mo. Wala pwedeng mag-compliment sa'yo, ako lang.
Di ba madamo?
Sobrang Diyos ka, mga red flags. Ate Ina, so slay sa broadcast channel mo. Diba, Ben? Perfect 10 out of 10 yung sinabi niya doon. Kikita nyo to? Uy! Kita nyo to? Bawal yan. Naku. Hilig na lang. Achim.
Sino yung naghahaven? Ikaw ba yun?
Only with teen. Hi! Guys, bigyan nyo kami ng... Ay, maglaro tayo. Truth or dare? Ay! Truth or dare, dali. Truth or dare. Truth or dare. Truth or dare. Truth or dare.
Ikaw muna.
Ikaw muna! Truth or dare.
Truth.
Truth. Kapag ikaw ay nabigyan ng chance na mag-iba ng career sa buhay, except sa nursing, sa performing, except sa nursing at performing, anong career yun?
Fine arts.
Fine arts? Bakit? Explain.
Kasi yun talaga yung first choice ko of career eh. Kaso, naano lang ako sa med school.
Dosis tayo,
Okay, next, ako na.
Truth or dare?
Truth!
Sabihin ko lang sa labas.
Ito. Kung wala si Mark Lee, sino ang bias ba sa NCT? Hindi, be! Sagutin mo yun, be! Kung walang Mark Lee.
Kapag walang sagot, pukpok. Sige. Oh, meron! Si Jamin.
Okay.
Kilala mo ba si Jamin?
Hindi.
Si Ben daw.
Sila kilala
Si
eh.
Ben yung bias ko. Tama yan. Guys, alam mo yung grupong Ben? Si Ben bias ko. Okay. Truth or dare?
Truth!
Tamad ako eh. Dare. Truth. Guys, magbigay kayo ng tanong. Dapat yung sobrang hirap na tanong para masasapak ko siya. Ling!
Yung yung pang-spill and ni...
Ben and Ben.
Ben and Ben?
Sa grupong Ben diagram.
Saan ka dun? Sa left, right, o sa gitna?
Truth or dare daw. Truth pinili niya. Anong truth maganda?
Si Cole, tagabigay natin.
Sige. If you were to choose... eto. Sinong pinaka... Sino ang
Pinaka-ayaw mo sa baby doll.
Pinaka-ayaw mo sa baby doll.
Inamot na!
Sabi ko, sinong pinaka-ayaw mo sa baby dolls? Ayaw niya sagot. sabihin meron. Ay! Gagawa tayo ng issue, guys. 1, 2.
Truth or dare? Sino pinakaya mo sa baby
Truth.
doll?
Oh. Dali.
Totoo ha?
O, diba? Same page.
Pero meron nga. Si Ate Cole.
Ay, ako di kay Cole. Kasi,
Alam mo yung Cole? Kilala mo yung Cole?
naka-pink kasi siya ngayon eh. Ayoko sa kanya.
Kilala mo yung Cole?
Eh, ano naman? Eh, naka-pink eh. Eh, hindi naman ako fan ng pink eh.
Oh, next.
Mahal ko lang naka-blue. Weh. Sarili ka ba?
Putang. Pero mahal ko baby dolls, guys.
Oo.
Oo, talaga.
Talaga.
Grupo ko to, be. Anong grupo mo? Anong grupo mo?
Ano ako eh?
Anong grupo mo? Grupo ng mga hotdog? O, sige.
Hindi. Grupo ng mga itlog.
Itlog? Hindi. Grupo ka ng mga kwek-kwek. Ako, grupo ng mga fishball.
Taga Mars.
Hi po, Ate Ronaldine! Kamusta po kayo dyan sa Idara? Sorry po, hindi na kami nakakapunta.
Lalo na po ako, pasensya na po.
Busy. Game,
Yung
next.
mukha ko kailangan na po ng
Truth or dare? Ate Cole.
Truth.
Sama natin sila. Truth. Sino?
Ang pina!
Ang pinaka! Mahal mo sa baby
pinakamahal.
dolls.
So, hirap naman yan. Wag na.
Ayaw na lang.
Pinakamahal mo sa baby dolls.
Mas madali pag ayaw daw eh.
Po. Ate Joey, truth or dare? Truth pa din. Oh, same question.
Ay, hindi.
Sino pinakamahal mo sa baby doll?
Sino ang pinaka-paborito mo sa lahat ng naging kaaway mo?
Wala ka favorite ko. Hindi ko. Willing kang awayin ulit.
Oo, so sweet. Like, siya lang yung babalikan mong kaaway mo. Oh. Buti pa yung kaaway mo.
Card!
Face on the ground!
Uy, wala card lang yun.
Sige.
Alam na natin.
Next. Ay, ikaw na. Bakit tayo mean girls, no? Truth or dare?
Pag-away po. Truth!
Hindi po ako nakikipag-away.
Truth.
Kapag ako po ang inaway, natatahimik na nga lang ako.
Nakaganda lang.
Kapag ako ay nagmahal.
Truth!
Gusto ko na yung dila ko pero.
Bakit ayaw mo mag-dare?
Kaya tamad ako
Sige,
tumayo.
Truth. Madali lang naman yung dare sana eh. Sige. If bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na maka-work yung isa sa mga host sa atin, sino yun at bakit?
May Vice. Kasi iba eh, pag sinabi mo Vice ganda. To the highest. Doon ka
To the
na.
highest
Okay,
of
okay.
levels.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Bakit ikaw pa din ako na, di ba?
Kung
Sige,
wala,
Ako na. Kung
sino ang maaaring yung jowain sa Showtime family?
sa Showtime family.
Like, buo ha? Buong Showtime family.
If single lahat, ganun.
If single lang,
Kasama sa yung hosts.
sama.
AC.
AC.
AC po!
Mama AC.
Ay, di sumagot. Hindi sumagot kayo.
O kaya, si ano?
Si Lorraine.
Ako si Jana.
Ate Sheena.
Siyempre lalaki.
Lalaki.
Ano lalaki?
Iba din ako eh.
Na ano, biglaan na lang.
Si Ace.
Kung ba, ako Sheena. O kaya
Ay,
Ann.
si JM.
Ah, si JM, oo.
Alam po niya yun.
JM Yusures. Ay, hindi. JM, de la Serna.
Ako si Kuya Lars kasi
Alam yan ni JM na
Kasi
crush ko
gusto
siya.
ko yung nag-road trip.
Okay, next. Oh, truth or dare?
Jowa, ano, tropa.
Truth.
Patay na punta sa Jojo White.
Truth.
Truth.
Truth. Nag-iisip ng tanong. Wala ba kayong patanong dyan, be?
Magtanong naman kayo, be.
Magtanong kayo. Ako na sasagot. Truth. Ang tagal!
Kung may hahagisan ka ng sapatos sa
Sino
baby
yung
doll, sino
unang
yun?
pinaiyak mo sa baby dolls?
Si Ariel.
Pero ako talaga.
Si Ariel.
Ito ba?
Oo, sa pie.
Bakit?
Napaiyak na siya ni Coach, tapos pinagalitan ko siya. Sabi ko, tama na! Kasi okay na, di ba? I-end na natin yung araw ng for the crush.
umiyak siya.
Umiyak siya lalo.
Ako wala pa akong, hindi naman ako na,
O, diba guys? Napakasama ni ate ko pinapa.
Oy, that's tough love. You need
Tough
to know,
love!
you need to know when
Tough
to cry.
mama!
and
Lapit lang
when
sa akin
not
si
to
Ariel.
cry.
Atina!
When to cry and not to cry. Okay, ate Cole. Ate crush. Ah? Ano?
Sinong feel nyo ang unang mag-aasawa sa Baby Dolls? Ate Cole!
Sino?
Si Johaira.
Hindi.
Asawa. Ikaw pa din, parang hindi naman, ano yun eh.
Sa bagay, sabi ko kasi pag nakompleto na sila, may jowa silang lahat, pwede na kaming ikasal.
Matagal-tagal pa yan, di.
Kasi kasi gusto ko sumayaw kami sa, tapos sasayawan namin yung mga bebe namin!
Bebe Dolls.
Ganon. Kaya dapat magsiuwi ang mga Jungkook. Jungkook. Sino yun? Mark Lee.
Si Mark Lee.
Pauwi
Mark Lee. Si Mark Lee, guys. Next. Ate Jubilin.
Anong tanong niya kay Juby? Sino ang kaagaw mo sa mga outfit na gusto? Sorry.
Sino ang inspiration mo sa mga damit mo? Jubilin Sabino!
Si Ariel Hamanadu.
Hamanadu?
Yeah.
It's Hamada Dudu.
Baka muna
Ito mga ribbon.
Kasi ikaw ang
Koket! Next.
Next.
Guys, mag-dare naman kayo!
Dare!
Dare. Ikaw muna si Ate Ina mo.
May papaamin kayo, ganun.
Anong dare ako?
Sige.
Paaminin.
Buksan mo yung phone mo. Tapos, mag-hi ka sa pinakaunang taong makikita mo.
Sarili niya.
Hindi, sa
Sa chat.
Hindi dyan.
Saan ba?
Sa IG.
First person. Ayan, habanane fam.
Refresh mo. Oh,
Ay,
mag-hi ka.
abanay ka doon.
And then, dito, scroll. Scroll. Stop.
Ate Steffi!
Mag-hi ka.
Pakita mo.
Mag-hi ka.
Ayan, yung road manager namin. Hi.
Ay lang, yan lang.
Next.
Next. Ikaw na, Dare. Ate Cole.
Dare. Here or there?
Tataka to. Anong hi?
Magsabi ka ng bakit sa random person na makikita mo sa baba.
Port naman to, dadalhin ko pa yan.
Cellphone na lang din.
Wag yun!
Ito, Dare. Mag-English only policy tayo. Okay, so we're gonna talk in English for the whole
What are you questioning
time.
to us? You the truth or
Next.
you dare?
Okay. Can we do like Jojo Wine?
Jojo.
No, that's boyfriend? Or friendly?
Boyfriend and friendship.
Boyfriend or friendly?
No.
Hey, people on the earth, don't be angry, okay? This is just a game.
I know. We should play Uno.
Oh, no.
And then we're gonna speak in English while playing Uno?
Yeah, we're gonna
We're gonna
watch me Nene.
Let's play Uno for the whole time. We should speak in English only.
Alright.
Because like
So every reaction that we had, it must be...
Because the bag.
So every reaction that we had, it must be in English also.
Shut up, be.
This is a practice for us to talk to
Our loved one.
Yeah. Welcome to my world, everyone.
Thank you so much for that wonderful compliment.
Compliments.
Complimentary.
As
You know,
someone-
we're thirsty.
Yeah.
We don't
thirsty.
have water in here.
You want to drink alcohol?
Can you
alcoholic.
give
Why?
us water, please? Because like we don't have water.
This is not Ina, this is Vanessa. She's speaking in English.
Okay, then this is
Are you the daughter of Tarzan?
because okay, so like
Or the daughter of the Tansan?
I'm the Tansan. Oh my god, I'm shuffling it like
crazy.
crazy. Ew, like I don't shuffle like a pro because like
Ew, dude.
Guys, we're eating.
hey, English only. English only. What is asim in
It's-
English?
Sour.
It's
so sour and I can take it anymore.
You can't take it anymore? Oh my god!
You should be proud of me.
I'm so proud of you. Like yeah.
You know, you go straight, and you're not straight.
Sabi. Na naman, oh!
O, diba?
Ben said that we should not say like, and so. So we can't say like, and so.
Okay.
That Jubilin. It's the seed.
It's a seed.
Yes, the seedling of the
Do you
of the
seed?
fetus.
Ariel became a victim of her own there.
Hey, you should not go away because you're not the rain to go away. Okay?
The funny.
It's so funny.
Like
Like,
trying to be funny.
it's so funny. Like, yeah.
Funny, I'm gonna die.
Okay.
after that one,
1, 2,
can you-
3, 1.
Can
One,
you
two,
braids
two,
my
two.
hair?
Yeah, I'm gonna like do
Yeah,
Tarzan.
sure.
in your
I will
hair.
braid your hair.
Three,
You know how?
three,
Yes, I know how to braid
four,
your hair. You want
four,
fountain?
four.
Or you
Five,
want waterfall?
five,
Or you want the
five.
flower?
6,
Yes, it's- Or the fishtail?
seven,
Or the
seven,
fishtail?
seven, seven.
Or
We
the
should have
Barbie doll.
7 cards.
Okay, we have 7 cards. We have 7 cards, but it was named Uno. What kind of game
Okay.
is this?
So like we're gonna like open it. So it's like 2, you know, 2.
Yeah,
Two green.
like-
We're gonna start.
You guys are so pretentious.
I'm gonna go.
No, we're not
Pretentious?
pretentious. We are precautious.
No,
I'm gonna go first.
no, I'm precaution.
We are precautious.
Jubilee.
Is it my no?
Yes.
No.
No, that's
right.
she's
Okay,
not
play right,
Jubilee.
play
She's
right.
Fe.
Fair.
Talaga. Really, Abigail?
Okay, Fair.
Really?
It's your turn now,
Fe,
Fair.
it's your turn, Fe.
Fefe mo.
It's Fair,
it's your turn.
Tony, and Vanessa.
This is mine?
Yes, that's
Yeah,
yours.
I don't know how to play this one.
You need to
I have to put 3.
follow the number
No,
or
you
follow
should
the
put
color.
like the
The
same
color.
color or the same number.
Same color or
same
same
number.
number?
I don't
Or same color or same number.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
so you
nice.
stop.
Thank you
And
for
then-
not letting me
Play.
play. Okay,
It's your turn, so I switch the color to red.
that's block. That's blocking.
And then I'm
Why
gonna
did
switch.
you block?
Why you put 2?
You can put 2 as long as the cards
Yeah,
or
it's
the
the same.
numbers are similar.
Oh.
Or
Yes.
like
Oh.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn.
Me?
Your turn.
Yes,
Yeah.
your
Blue
turn.
or
I'm
5?
so tired of this.
Oh,
this
we're just starting.
We're just starting. Why are you already so tired? Like, oh my god.
Because with fun speaking English bullshit.
Oh,
What color
Color
do
do you want?
What color do you want?
I want
The many, yes.
Green. Okay. Like
Green?
green.
You're so unfair.
What's up?
Oh, this is green. No, not yet. This is also 2.
Okay. Thank you, bro. Okay, so 3.
That's 3.
You even know how to play.
Yeah, we know how to play
Are you
guitar.
asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you, do you know how to play?
I know how to play.
Okay, so show.
Show.
We should like
Show me.
ano yan?
Show the cards in it?
No. Okay, sige, go.
No, don't say sige.
Okay, alright.
Jubilee,
go.
it's your turn.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
Color blue.
Blue or
Color
8?
blue or
If you
Number 8.
Am I allowed
this
to
is the
get
consequence.
one?
Yeah,
If you
okay.
don't have any, you should
Hey.
get.
If you don't, but
Hey.
only if you don't have any number
Yeah.
8 or number blue.
Or wait lang. Wait,
Hey,
wait
hey,
lang.
this is the consequence. If you speak Tagalog,
If you speak Tagalog,
you will put we will put spices on your nose.
no,
Oh
like
my gosh.
that will hurt so much. So we're gonna hit na lang.
Wait.
Na lang?
You're gonna hit me.
No, the consequence you have to eat this one and
And
you should
have no
show-
reaction.
No
you
reaction.
should have no mercy ganon.
No mercy.
No mercy.
Okay, your turn.
Is it? No, it's my turn.
No,
it's
she-
my
it's
turn.
your turn.
still.
If you don't have
if
the
you
same
don't have-
number or same color, you should
Why
get.
are
I
you
have same
shouting?
number.
Oh,
Oh.
go.
Oh, right. So yeah, correct.
Don't
Sorry.
don't hold my boob.
Okay, sorry.
I don't have those.
That's okay. I like. Oh.
I like it. It's yellow. You know, hi guys.
Live or
Angulo. What's Angulo?
Angelo, it's like your angle, how to pose.
Angulo.
Okay, your turn. Your
Jubilee.
My turn.
Oh, you have a popper in your
fast,
mouth.
yeah.
We should like do it really fast. Should not like. Oh my god.
Oh.
It's your
Oh,
turn.
thank you for not letting me play again. Okay.
What's this one?
If you
need
put
to-
this is the reverse card. So if you
Oh.
like put this down,
Ah, okay.
yeah,
Yeah, that's like the karma.
It's your turn,
it's my
Ariel.
turn. I'll give this to you. That's
Oh.
you.
Oh, you have color 3.
Color tree. Wow, color tree. Thank you so much
Also,
for
Ate Juby, if someone put this card down, it means that you're gonna get 2 more cards.
Or if you have the same card with the plus sign, you can just throw it
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, or you stop playing.
Okay, so
my
stop.
turn.
No,
Let's do one.
stop you.
It's considered one, isn't it?
Stop. Uno.
Ah!
I got Uno.
You play. Your turn.
Your turn, girl.
Yeah, your turn.
I have to put another.
No.
Fucking shit.
Ha!
So I get plus
8. You got 8.
I'm gonna punch you in the face if you
Why you
put
get
that
8?
there.
Why you got 8?
Because
Oh, okay.
4 plus 2.
Okay, your turn. So the color is red.
I don't have red.
You're gonna get red.
Are you gonna get rid of it? I'm gonna get
Yeah.
rid of it.
My cards are full of blue.
Am I gonna collect?
Until you get red.
Hi, Kino. Hi, Kino.
You know what? I'm so tired.
Wow.
it's
Wow.
my turn.
Ate Cole has
It's your
many
turn
cards. It's my turn again. Okay. So what color do you want?
You know what? My hand, it's not
Oh,
like
it's
red.
red. Since
Yeah,
I don't
it's
have any red.
You're gonna get
Our
red.
mouth
Bagoong.
our
Zero.
mouse
Your turn.
mouths
Hi, Kino. How are you? Because like the
Juby, it's your
colors
turn.
of the rainbows in the sky. Your turn. Number 1.
There's a fireworks in my mouth.
There's a fireworks in my mouth.
Yeah,
There's a fireworks in my mouth. Bro, stop! It's your turn.
So crazy. We're all speaking.
Boy.
number yellow.
Yellow. Why is it always yellow? I don't have any yellow cards.
That's the point. That's the point. It's pointless.
Okay, I actually have one.
It's popping in my mouth.
It's a popping in the mouth.
Is it your first time?
Yeah, the rainbows in the skies is
Yeah,
coloring.
it's your turn. Juby.
Oh, it's not my first
If your
time.
card
that
is 1, you
something
should
pops
say
into my
Uno.
mouth.
Uno.
Okay.
Okay, your turn. So
Why are you not letting me play?
Oh, now it's your turn, Cole.
Green. Oh.
Oh.
fun! Okay, she won.
Your price is
Priceless.
you're gonna something's gonna pop in your mouth. Like the
Yes, this firecrackers.
Ariel. Oh my god, I collected cards.
Atiko, can you say
you've
something
done
to the
it.
international fans
yes,
out
I
there?
Hi international fans. Something. You said I will say something and I said something. Oh, it's number 7.
You know, you're like so boggle.
I'm not boggle. I'm just thanking.
Oh my god.
Is that me?
Yeah. Is that me? Is that you?
So it means that's 6.
Oh, hello, friends.
Hi friends.
Hi, friends. Do you want to
This is
join
the-
us?
Do you want to join
This is
us?
the English speaking
The dare.
zone.
You want some? It's sambag. You know what's sambag? Like the one you pick with the one though.
Hey!
It's some hollow.
Gang, gang.
I got dress. You know? A la stress.
Alas dos.
No! What?
Your turn.
Well, I like to speak Tagalog. What the fuck?
Okay. We can only speak in English in here, ate.
Cole, it's your turn again.
It's your turn.
What?
It's the dare. We should speak in English.
We should speak in English there.
Mother power.
It's your turn, bro! Again? I got Uno. Uno.
Oh my gosh, Ko is
Why do you have Uno?
Because I only have one card left.
Sayang ang LDR.
So it means if you win, you can like speak in Tagalog again.
I'm not sure. Cole, it's your turn.
Okay, I'm done.
Wait lang kasi si Cole pa mamaya.
What? Okay. So I'm not Uno.
Hoy, dali nyo mamaya.
No,
Yan.
it's you na.
Nor! You! Oh my god! Oh my god! Di ba ito naka-reverse?
No.
Can you like say color green?
Why is it reversed like that?
Color yellow.
You can ride on my aircon.
Have any?
Hoy, dali nyo mamaya.
Tama ka.
Yeah.
Hey, you're in the bathroom.
Maya. Bumili ka ulit?
Yes.
Hindi, kasabi ito.
Putang!
Are you in the
Oh,
bathroom?
that's not English.
Kung sa kanya, saan siya bumibili?
Fucking shit!
She said put
Di ba?
Tama ka.
That's Espanyol.
Tama ka.
Ano,
No,
it's not.
put
That's Tagalog.
That's English. Put
Your turn, please. Your turn. Why does Atticole still have so many cards? Because she's always
Because I'm a collector.
No,
No,
I
my
think I'm a
brand is
collector
Rainbow
also.
Collector.
Hi, Raven! Raven is
Raven!
watching. I think
Wait
so.
lang, I'm collecting fucking cards.
Yung ate ko, ay bawal yan. Nagalit ka siya dito.
Your turn, bro.
Ay, nako. Blue.
Blue, blue. Green. Green, green. Ay, shuffle die. We're gonna... Wala! Yung plus 4 ko! My plus
Oh, hindi
4!
ko to kasama.
Hindi, shuffle.
Put
Give all
that
the
down.
cards.
So it means that...
na lang ako, no? Hindi, si Joe balasa. Si Joe babalasa. Para walang...
Hey, hey, hey! Are you gonna eat like something sour like miraculous?
Sure, I will eat you.
No,
Achim!
Achieve!
no reaction.
Okay, girls, we have rehearsals. Let's go. Tinawag na tayo.
Saan mag-rehearse?
Studio 4.
Girls, go na daw. Oo, go na.
Bye, guys!